Alright guys, so I want to show you my most recent purchase. This is a backdrop stand and it is from Marry Me through the Oriental Trading website. I am so glad I purchased this. This thing is absolutely awesome and I'm getting ready to do a tutorial on how to do a very small floral backdrop to add to this. But this is awesome and it was so inexpensive. It was only $40, okay? And they had free shipping. It was totally worth purchasing. It was really easy to put together. It's actually much larger than what you're seeing, but I left 2 sections out so it could be a little bit smaller and it can fit into my craft room / office. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having an awesome day and I'm back at you again with another DIY tutorial. And I just gave you a preview of my really great backdrop frame that I purchased from Oriental Trading through their Marry Me section of their website. It was only $40 and it is amazing, and I detailed that in the intro. So what we're going to do is, I've already got it curtained up for the most part. So now we're going to add some florals to it, and we're going to do like a floral topper. And what you're going to need for this is, and I've already cut this board up already, so excuse me, but you're going to need 3 of these ready boards from the Dollar Tree. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut these boards down to size, and I've already done that to save time. So what you're going to do is you're going to take you're going to start with 2 of these ready boards, and you're going to cut off about 8.5 inches off of each one. Okay, so you're going to get your ready board, and you want to use a X-Acto knife. Please refer to my other videos. Plenty of videos showing you how I cut these foam boards, but you're going to need an X-Acto knife, and you're going to cut off 8.5 inches off of the ready board. Okay, so just get your ruler, mark 8.5 inches with a pen, and then get a X-Acto knife or a box cutter and cut away 8.5 inches. Okay, so we're not going to need that. We're going to throw that away, and we're going to put this to the side. And you're going to also do that for the second board as well. You're going to cut off 8.5 inches. Okay, and then we're going to throw the excess away or save it for another project. And this is what it should look like. This is what the 2 boards should look like after you cut off the excess. And then we're going to take our third board, and we're just going to cut off a small section of that so that we can attach it. Because we need to elongate it a little bit. I don't think that 2 foam boards are going to be long enough, and so you're going to have 2 pieces, and then we might attach, probably will attach this small third section to it. Okay, just so it goes generously across our backdrop frame. So I'm just going to take some duct tape and apply it to the back, to these 2 pieces, so that they will be joined together. Our next step is we're going to use these wooden wavy sticks, and I got this from Walmart, and we're going to go into the area that we just taped with the white duct tape, just so that it doesn't bend. We're going to use these to kind of secure it, and we're going to use our hot glue gun. And I'm going to put a generous amount of hot glue. And this is just going to give us some support so that it doesn't bend. So this is what the back of the board should look like. You should have it secured with wooden sticks. And now we're going to turn it over and start adding our floral foam. This is the dry floral foam that we're going to be using, and I've used this in several projects already. And this is the 4-piece of dry foam, and you can get this, of course, from the Dollar Tree. Okay, everyone, so I have gone ahead and just put the floral foam down on our floral topper, and I will flash up how many of these I actually ended up using. And so basically all I did, which is like a previous video, is I just went ahead, I just used my hot glue gun, and then you're just going to take your floral foam and apply the hot glue into like a square, and that's what it should look like. And then just go ahead and tack it down. You want to put 1 floral in the middle and 2 on the edges. So this is what I'm going to cover this entire floral topper with, and once again I'm using Dollar Tree hydrangeas, okay? And I've used this in previous projects. I'm going to continue to use it because this is what I have the most of. Alright, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start, I think I'm just going to start on one end and just fill in the bottom first. Alright everyone, so I have gone ahead and put in my Dollar Tree hydrangeas. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough. So what we're going to do is, the next step is I'm going to go ahead and fill in the gaps with these hydrangeas from the Dollar Tree. And these are $3. Very affordable. So I'm going to fill the middle in with these hydrangeas. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. We've pretty much got our whole floral banner filled in. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some red and cream roses that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to add those in between in certain sections. Okay guys, so I had to put this on a 8-foot table because this thing is huge. So as you can see, it comes over a little bit on an 8-foot table, just a little bit. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've completed the top. What I did is I put some larger roses in with the hot pink hydrangea, and I got these roses from Family Dollar. And I would strongly suggest you go to Family Dollar during the springtime because they're putting out very good quality flowers. They're just as good as in the craft store, and these things are like $3 and $5. Okay, so I put some of the larger pink roses in at the top, if you can see that, and then I also embellished the bottom. And how I did that was, once again, I used some Phalaenopsis orchids. Hope I said that right. Phalaenopsis orchids from Family Dollar, and they come in a bush, and they're $3, and they're beautiful. It's totally worth it. Go to Family Dollar to get these because they are gorgeous. Okay, so as you can see, they're very pretty, and they are worth it. I also embellished the bottom with these gladiolas, and these are from the Dollar Tree. When they bring them out in spring, I suggest you grab them up because these things are like hotcakes. They go very fast. So I used about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I used about 9 of these, okay? And let me show you what I did. So let me show you how I attached this. So as you can see, I pushed back the flower so you can see it, and I attached the gladiola stems directly to the foam board in between the floral foam. And then I also added a little bit of hot glue just to secure it, okay? So I put a little bit of tape and a little bit of hot glue, and that's how I secured the gladiolas so that they can cascade down. Okay guys, so the next step is we need to go ahead and create holes in the back of our floral banner so we can hang it up on our backdrop. So what I'm going to use is I am going to use one of these Dollar Tree one hole punch, and basically all you have to do is just get right underneath. It fits perfectly. Push it in a good amount, okay? Even though this is lightweight, you still want to push it in a little bit, and then just click, and you've made a hole. And again, try to come in as much as you can. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use these zip ties, and you can get these zip ties from the Dollar Tree. You can either use these depending on what type of backdrop frame you're using. If it's metal or plastic, I'm using plastic. And this banner is lightweight, so I'm going to use these very thin ones, but you can get ones that's a little bit thicker and they will go through the hole. So we're going to take our zip ties and we're going to put it right, and you just push this right through the hole, and then we're going to pull it around and zip tie it, as you can see, onto our banner, onto our backdrop frame. Okay guys, so this is the final. All right, this is it. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm getting ready to hang it up on our backdrop frame. Just want to do a quick pan so you can see what it looks like. This is amazing. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. We are completely done. And I put this banner up myself, and I'm going to tell you, you're going to need help. It should be 2 people putting the banner up and not 1, but I did it. So this is what it looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me pan in a little bit. And so you can see how it is on the top. It is absolutely stunning. It's really, really beautiful. I think it came out amazing. I'm going to pull back a little bit. And sorry for seeing my shoes on the side, but it's in my room and I did the best I could. So this is it. It's gorgeous. I will tell you that if you buy this stand from Oriental Trading, you will need to anchor this stand to the wall, because it's great just for a lightweight curtain, but if you put any weight on the top, it will bow over. So you will absolutely need to anchor this to the wall. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to give you a close-up. And I've got some really nice crystals hanging down with some pearls. And the crystals are just Christmas ornaments that I bought from Hobby Lobby. And then I bought a roll of pearls and I just strung them on there. And I use fielding pins to push them into the styrofoam. So that's what it looks like on the top. And we're going to do a bottom view here. And you will need to anchor this to the wall. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. You're going to need to take a ribbon, because it's very lightweight, and attach it to the pole and anchor it to the wall. And you can do that, since it's so lightweight, with tape or with a nail. It will have to be attached to the wall so that it does not fall over. If you just put a lightweight curtain on it, you're fine. It stands up by itself. You put a little bit of weight on it and it will fall over. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think this came out absolutely beautiful, and as always, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at onehipsister. And I will see you in the next DIY video. Take care. Bye bye.